Hi, my dear children. Good morning. How are you all? It's me, Febina. Hope you are fine and doing well. Let me ask one doubt. Are you still in LKG? No. We are in UKG, right? We all promoted to UKG class. Are you happy for that? Are you happy? If you are happy, you just clap. Yes, we all are happy. I hope you all got new books, new bags, new uniforms and all other study materials, right? But there is a problem. We cannot bring it to the school. Why? Because of COVID-19 or coronavirus, we have to stay at home, right? Don't worry, okay? We can pray for the best and we can meet at school as early as possible. Okay? Anyhow, we have to study, right? Do you want to study? Yes, we have to study. How we can study? We can study, we can meet through the online, we can study through the online. Okay. Here with the teachers are there to helping you, and at home your parents also will be there with you. Okay. This is our first online class, right? I welcome you all to this class. Today I am not taking you any class. Today being the first day, let us establish some rules to be followed in the school and at home. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. These are the rules to be followed in everywhere. Okay. What is the first rule? Now, first rule I plan to discuss with you is that to fight against COVID-19, we have to think, we have to remember 3 letters, that is SMS. SMS. What is S? S stands for soap. What? S stands for soap. Yes, we have to wash our hands always with using soap. Okay. And next, M. M stands for mask. M stands for mask. When we go out of our home, we have to use mask. Okay. I am also using this mask. I just removed it to talk with you. Okay. And mask S. What is S? Social distance. What is social distance? When you go out, if we see our friends, we should not hug them, we should not shake hand them. We have to keep distance. Okay, we have to keep distance. This is the first rule. Okay, and next rule is wish others. How can we wish? If it is in the morning, we can wish good morning with a smiling face, right? If it is in afternoon, we can wish others good afternoon. Okay, just you practice, my dear children. Just you say good morning. Yes, with a smiling face, good morning. Okay, and good afternoon. Let's practice once. Okay, good afternoon. Okay, if we are meeting our friends or teachers from outside, we have to wish with a smiling face. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Let's repeat first 3 rules which we discussed. Okay, what is the first rule? SMS. Use soap, use mask and keep social distance. Okay, and second one, wish others. Second one, wish others. Okay, and next one is ask permission. Ask permission. What we have to ask permission? How we can ask permission? Let me show you some situations. How can we ask permission? Let me show you some situations. Yes, see, first situation is when you enter the class. When you enter the class, how can we ask permission? One ma'am also joining with me, okay? Let me show you. Ma'am, excuse me ma'am.
Yes.
May I get in?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, permitted. Okay. Next situation is to drink water. To drink water. How can we ask permission? Let me ask. Let me ask. Yes, ma'am, may I drink water?
Of course.
Ma'am permitted me to drink water. May I drink water? How can we ask permission? May I drink water? Two situations we studied now. First one, to enter the class. How can we ask permission? May I come in ma'am? Or may I get in? Okay, second one is to drink water. How can we ask permission? May I drink water? And next situation is when you go out. When you go out, how can we ask permission? Excuse me ma'am, may I go out?
Yes.
Ma'am permitted. May I go to washroom? Yes. This way we have to ask permission. Okay. And next situation is when you take something. When you want to take something, how can we ask permission? Excuse me my dear, let me take this one. Let me take this pen. Let me take this pen.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Permitted me. Okay, this way we have to ask permission. If you want to take, if you want to do anything, you have to get permission from elders. Okay. And next rule is don't run in the class. Okay, we should not run in the class. Is it good habit? Running in the class is a good habit? No, it's a bad habit. So we should not run in the class, and also through the corridor also we should not run. If you want to run or if you want to play, what we have to do? We can go out and we can play from there. Okay. And at home also we should not run inside the home. Okay. And next rule is deposit waste only in the dustbin. We should not throw waste here and there. Okay, we have to deposit all the waste in the dustbin only. Okay. And if you are eating chocolates, what you have to do? The wrappers, will you throw it inside the class? No, we will deposit it in only in the dustbin. Okay. And next rule is, hello, my dear students, are you there? Are you hearing me? Okay, yes. See, next one, keep your things in proper place. Keep your things, keep your all books, all the toys, everything after whatever you are taking. After use, you have to keep in proper place. Okay, don't throw here and there. Okay, are you ready? Okay. And next one. Hello. Hello. Are you hearing me? Are you listening me? Okay. Next one is listening ears. Listening ears, and don't shout from the class. Don't shout from the class. Where is your ears? Yes. Okay. Touch your ears now. Hello? Touch your ears? Yes. We have to listen carefully. Okay. We have to listen carefully. And we should not shout from the class. We should not shout from the class. Are you listening now? Are you listening now? Let me sing a rhyme. Are you listening? Okay, let me sing a rhyme, okay? Just listen properly. Driver in the bus, pop, pop, pop. Once again. Driver in the bus, pop, pop, pop. Papa in the bus, push, push, push. Mama in the bus, shh, shh, shh. Baby in the bus, meh, meh, meh. Do you like it? Let me sing once again, okay? Driver in the bus, pop, pop, pop. Papa in the bus, push, push, push. Mama in the bus, shh, shh, shh. Baby in the bus, meh, meh, meh. Okay, do you like it? Okay. These, I think you all listened carefully, right? This way you have to listen your classes also, okay? And next rule is, just a minute, okay? I am very thirsty now. Let me, one teacher is there, sitting there and writing something. Let me ask some water. Shh, shh, shh. She is not hearing. Shh, shh. She is not hearing. What can I do? Yes, idea. Let me ask, excuse me, okay? Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
May I get some water?
Yes, of course.
Please, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Let me drink it, okay? I got water. I think this time you got some rules also, right? Which rule? Yes. Say, excuse me to get attention of others. If you want to get attention, we have to say excuse me. Okay? Just practice. Excuse me. All of you say excuse me. If you want to get attention of others, we have to tell excuse me. Okay? And one more thing. Say thank you when it is needed. We have to say thank you when it is needed. Okay? If anyone gives something to us, anyone helping us, we have to tell them thank you. Okay? And last and very important rule is don't waste food. Don't waste food. We should not waste food. Take food whatever you want and complete it. Okay? You don't take more food and don't go for throwing food. Okay? Don't waste food. Okay? I hope you all enjoyed the class. Okay, let's wind up with that same song. Are you ready? Will you follow with me? I will tell, okay? You have to follow me. Driver in the bus. Say, driver in the bus. Pop, pop, pop. Say once again. Driver in the bus. Pop, pop, pop. Papa in the bus. Push, push, push. Papa in the bus. Push, push, push. Mama in the bus. Shh, shh, shh. Mama in the bus. Baby in the bus. Meh, meh. Baby in the bus. Meh, meh, meh. Do you like it? Shall we sing once again? Okay, tell with me. Okay, sing with me. Driver in the bus. Pop, pop, pop. Papa in the bus. Push, push, push. Mama in the bus. Shh, shh, shh. Baby in the bus. Meh, meh, meh. Baby in the bus. Meh, meh, meh. Okay, you have to practice this rhyme also. Okay. Okay, let me wear my mask. Okay. Bye. See you on next class. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.